In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the rectangle tool in Krita step by step so you can draw clean shapes quickly and confidently, whether you want simple outlines, filled blocks, or perfect squares. This is a really useful tool for digital art, UI mockups, comic panels, and any project where you need precise geometric shapes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Krita tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Krita and look over to the left-hand toolbox panel. This is where you'll find all of your main drawing and shape tools. To activate the rectangle tool, click the rectangle tool icon, which looks like a simple outline square. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Shift and R on your keyboard to select it instantly. Once the rectangle tool is active, you'll notice that the tool options docker becomes important because this is where you decide exactly how your rectangle will behave and look. Before you draw anything, take a moment to check the Tool Options docker, usually found on the right side of the interface. One of the first settings you'll want to look at is Fill. This controls what happens inside the rectangle. If you choose Not Filled, Krita will draw only the outline, which is perfect if you want a hollow box. If you select foreground color, the inside of the rectangle will be filled with your current primary color. If you choose background color, it will use your secondary color instead. This gives you a lot of control depending on whether you're sketching, designing, or making graphic elements. Next, look at the outline settings. This controls the border style of the rectangle. If you choose brush, Krita will use your active brush preset and brush size to draw the border, which can give your shape a more hand-drawn or textured look. If you choose no outline, Krita will create a solid filled shape with no border lines at all. That's great when you want a clean block of color for design work or blocking in areas of your composition. So before you start dragging on the canvas, always check these options first because they completely change the final result. Now, it's time to draw your rectangle. Go to your canvas and left-click where you want one corner of the shape to begin. Then hold down the mouse button and drag diagonally across the canvas. As you drag, you'll see the rectangle appear in real time. When it reaches the size you want, simply release the mouse button. That's all it takes to create a basic rectangle in Krita. It's fast, simple, and very precise once you get used to it. If you want to make a perfect square instead of a rectangle, there's an easy shortcut. Just hold down the Shift key while you're dragging. This locks the proportions to a 1:1 ratio, which means the width and height stay equal. That's really helpful when you need icons, shapes, or structured design elements that need to stay perfectly balanced. If you want to draw the shape from the center rather than from a corner, hold down the Ctrl key while dragging. This makes the rectangle expand outward symmetrically from your starting click point. Instead of beginning from one corner and extending to the opposite side, the shape grows equally in all directions from the center. This is especially useful when you want to position shapes more accurately in the middle of an object or layout. And if you want the most control possible, you can combine both shortcuts. Hold Shift and Ctrl together while dragging to create a perfect square that grows outward from the center point. This is one of the best techniques to remember because it gives you both symmetry and precision at the same time. Once you get comfortable with this, creating clean geometric shapes in Krita becomes much easier and much faster. A good tip is to experiment with the different fill and outline combinations before starting a real project. Try a few hollow rectangles, then test filled shapes, then switch to brush outlines and see how each one looks. That way, you'll understand how Krita handles shapes and you'll be able to choose the right option much more quickly in future projects. So to recap, activate the rectangle tool from the toolbox panel or use Shift+R. Adjust your fill and outline settings in the Tool Options docker. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape and use Shift, Ctrl, or both to make perfect and centered squares. Once you know these steps, the rectangle tool becomes a very powerful part of your Krita workflow. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.